would not be surprised if there was videos taken of you drafting me. I know why you blew the engine in your bike.
What?
I said, I know why you blew the engine in your bike.
It's because I didn't have that fuel tank.
Oh, around.
No, you didn't.
You say watch out for cops and you go 20 over the whole way.
I saw him and then I braked him.
Yeah.
I'm ready to rock and roll. Thumbs down. Thumbs down.
It's hard to believe a Grom is louder than a 900cc bike. Is always trying to race that little bike. Craig was going for the kill switch. This is going to be one of the slowest paced rides I do, I think. With all these Groms around me, I doubt I'll see much higher than third gear. But I mean, awesome turnout. You can see I've got 4 bikes right here in front of me, and then just bikes for days behind me. Let's see. There we go. There goes Craig trying to race. I didn't realize how late this ride was going to be. I ended up throwing my tinted visor on my helmet, and I can't really see shit right now. Man, look at this bunch of bikes. This is awesome. I mean, everything from sport bikes, naked bikes, Groms. Got a hyper motard right here with me. There's like a scooter over there. This is awesome. Man, Taylor's getting it. The Honda CBR 1000R Fireblade. That's cool. I haven't seen one of these out on the road yet. Granted, we can't hear the bike over all these little single cylinder bikes, but hey, it's cool to see. And then you got people like that. Hey, props to him. He's on 2 wheels. Huh?
I have footage of a guy almost running into the back of me.
Oh,
yeah,
shit.
Seriously. Like, you know when you took off at that light?
Yeah.
He fucking almost ran into that.
Careful, man. That dude almost ran into the back.
correct saying that guy at the last stoplight almost ran into the back of me. That would not have felt good. Holy shit, we've had more bikes join in with us. This is awesome. That dude just bumped the back of that guy. Thanks for watching, you guys, and if you have any ideas for future videos, drop it down in the comments. Make sure you're liking the video. If you want to see more content with this bike and some other bikes that I have planned coming up pretty soon, be sure you are subscribed and have your notification bell turned on. See you on the next one.